Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can install X apps and PC games on your Android phone in 2025. Super easy and step by step. So let's just get started. First, we need an app that lets Android run Windows programs. So in 2025, the most stable options is Winlator or your preferred emulator. So just head over to their official site and download the latest APK. It's free. So for me, I'm using Winlator and you can just find it on the web winlator.org. Here is the latest version. You can just hit on download, and after that you can just run and install it on your Android device. So once it's installed, you can just open it up. This is the Winlator app, and in here you'll see a setup screen. Don't worry, you only need to do this once. So you can just click on a plus button, and in here you need to set the GPU, graphics driver, your preferred resolution, and you can just leave the rest as default if you are a beginner. And don't stress about messing anything up because you can change all these things later. So just hit on a check icon. So just wait until your container is finished. And after that, you can just go ahead and grab the exe file you want to install, maybe a game, maybe a small PC app, or you can just move it to your phone's download or documents folder. And then go back to the Winlator. You can just open the container. So it will starting up. So in here you can just browse to your exe file, select it, and just like that your exe is ready to run. As you guys can see, this will look like a computer now, your phone. So to tap on the exe and Winlator will launch a Windows-like interface like this. Some apps will install first and others run instantly depending on the software. So for most apps and older games, performance is surprisingly smooth, but some heavy Windows programs still won't work. So that's it. That's how you can install X apps and PC games on your Android device. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.